morning vlog. Good morning vlog. I slept in a t-shirt and shorts last night, which is, oh, I love that. I love that. Usually it's too cold in my house to do that. Last night it wasn't. I don't know what changed, but anyway, I just woke up. I'm not even gonna tell you what time it is. I gotta stop exposing myself. But I'm probably gonna put a little sweatshirt on right now and go downstairs and make some breakfast. I started editing my vlog, but I have to pee so bad and I have to eat so bad, so I gotta wait. I've been up in bed for probably like 2 or 3 hours. Oops. Oh, hey. Okay, I feel like y'all know by now I love a little breakfast sausage, so I got these new ones from Costco I'm trying out. It's a huge pack of them. You guys, I got this mug and I have yet to try it, so I think I'm gonna make my coffee in it. I'm also gonna clean today, but not right now. It's feeling like a good Tuesday, y'all. Okay, I feel like I have to update you guys just because I have barely filmed anything today. Number one, I'm having a great day. Like, I don't know what it is. Well, I don't need to know what it is, but I'm just having a great day. Like, mentally, I don't know. Mentally, I'm so free and like feel really good. I don't know, you guys, for like the last month straight, I don't know. I don't want to say that because I feel like my whole life is documented and someone's gonna be like, Jada, you literally said this 2 weeks ago. But I just feel like normally I would have started going like on a little bit of a downhill slope as far as like my mental, and it feels like it's been a lot longer of a period that hasn't happened. And I know that's like, so it's only gonna make sense to like the people that kind of know me or like watch my content frequently, but yeah, it just feels like it's kind of been like a longer period of time that I've been mentally stable. So that's fucking rad. Like, that's amazing. I love that. Not so many like highs and lows, you know, like kind of just like we're chilling, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Is this how life is supposed to feel? I just edited my TikTok video because I wanted to get it up because I wanted to kind of prioritize that. It was another one of my like creative eye looks, which I am obsessed with. I'm obsessed with doing those. I feel like I kind of figured out a little bit, okay? As far as like my TikTok and like that. So that makes me happy. But it's 3 o'clock and I have yet to edit my vlog. So yippee, another editing day. What influencers don't show you? I hate calling myself an influencer because that just doesn't feel right, but I do know that I have an impact on people. So can we call me an impact influencer? Anyway, I'm gonna start editing the vlog. It'll probably be like 4:30 by the time that I check in again. We'll see. Okay, love you. I like how I'm sitting in the complete pitch black, but daddy's home. Oh, daddy's home? Are you happy daddy's home? Are you happy daddy's home? Yeah. Yeah, you're so happy daddy's home. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, you can chill out a little bit. Chill out a little bit. Okay. My favorite baby's home.
Hey, baby. You think you could give me a haircut? Here's the before.
Long hair, boy.
So long.
Picking it up. Haircut's done. Let's see it.
I like that it's so short on the top because it was so long before.
Look at your followers.
Oh, that's cool.
555.
I love that.
Trev just got done playing, and babe, 555 means physical change. And this is your last week at your job.
Yeah, straight up.
Trev got done with his stream and he played House Flipper. It's so
much
entertaining. And for some reason I'm emo after your stream.
Why?
Like, it was emotionally good.
Oh yeah.
And
okay, so emo in a good way.
yeah. Nick, if you're watching, Nick hit 300
Yeah.
hours of
Yeah.
watch time, which is crazy.
Insane.
Like, insane, but so amazing and so much support. So shout out Nick.
Shout out Nick and shout out Elisa because
She's
like
right
3
behind.
hours away. I'm gonna do something special for you guys. Just wait.
You heard it here first. So now we're gonna watch Love Island. The finale was on last night, so I don't know if I already said this in my vlog, but I'm like eager to get through it because I've already dodged so many spoilers that it's like fuck, you know. So Trevor and I are gonna watch a couple episodes. I'm hoping we can watch a lot of episodes. But it was funny because last night, I wish I had filmed this, but I was half asleep. Trevor couldn't go to sleep last night or something, so he came downstairs and he's like, my stomach hurts, I need to get food. So he got food, but I come down, I'm like, I'm gonna go to sleep, right? Because he asked if I want to come down. And I couldn't sleep either, so I eventually came down. This bitch was making fucking pancakes and eggs. 1 a.m.
What?
We came down last night at 1 a.m. and you were making pancakes and eggs.
Bro, my stomach hurt. I need
And you were watching a fucking haunted YouTube video. Like, bro, he's not real.
Sam and Colby's YouTube video.
I know, I wanted to watch it, but not alone. Anyway, we're gonna watch Love Island now. This is me before the Love Island episode I'm on. It's probably gonna piss me the fuck off.
Probably.
Okay, post-game preview of Love Island. Remember how I said Curtis was my favorite? No. Nope. Nope. He is a weirdo. Little weirdo. I liked him in the beginning. I loved him in the beginning. Not anymore. Luca is my favorite. For sure. I love Luca. I liked him in the beginning, but I just wasn't sure, like, what kind of guy he was. Now I can see. We just watched, like, the heartbeat challenge. But it's the fucking weirdest heartbeat challenge I've ever seen in Love Island history, you guys. And if you guys don't watch Love Island, I'm so sorry. It's my entire personality right now, as will be the next show that I become entirely obsessed with and binge. So I feel like we're close to the end. We still haven't seen Casa More, but I guess...
I hope that's coming soon.
I know, me too. You would think it would be because all the couples are kind of getting more serious. But it's really good. Trevor and I really like it. Not a fan of Curtis anymore. Luca all the way. And honestly, Scott was kind of a good guy and he went out respectfully. So
Yeah, with dignity.
with dignity and grace, Miss United States. It's our post-game preview. Now we're gonna go to bed. It's 12:12. Make a wish. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you in the next one.
Hi guys.
Bye.